Hey everybody, welcome to this video. I wanted to quick throw a little extra video together here for you to show you how to do multiple screens. So if I go to add screen here, I'm just going to name this one screen 2, but you can name it whatever you want. And then when you do the drop down menu here, you can see screen 1 and screen 2. It automatically switched to the new screen, so I'm going to switch back to screen 1. The user interface, here I'm going to make a label. I'm going to have it say this is screen 1. Just so we have it labeled as such. Let me put a period there, try to be grammatically correct. For the width, I'm going to do fill parent on that one, just make it all the way across. Then on the button, I'm going to pull a button over here. The button I'm going to make fill parent. The text on that button, I'm going to make it say click here to go to screen 2. Now I'm going to make it bold. Then I'm going to take this text here and I'm going to center it. Okay, so it says this is screen 1. Click here to go to screen 2. So then I'm going to go over here on screen 2 and I'm going to do the exact same thing, but say this one's going to say this is screen 2 and the other one's going to say click to go to screen 1. With fill parent, and we're going to center it. Now notice I'm not renaming anything here because I only have one label and one button on each screen. But if it was more than that, of course, I would rename everything. This is going to say click to go to screen 1. Make it bold. Let's go back to screen 1 and now let's go to the blocks editor. So on the button here, if we go to button.click, then we want to go over here to control. And we want to scroll down and we want to go to open another screen, screen name. And I want to take text, pull this over, and then type in here the screen name, and in this case it's screen 2. So now I'm in the blocks editor. I want to go to screen 2, go to the button. When button is clicked, open another screen. I want that screen to be named screen 1. Okay, so that's how it's done. Now what you would do here then is if you wanted to change this to be like, let's say, a splash screen, you would do it the exact same way, except you would set up a timer, and then when the timer's done running, the timer would have this here and send it to the new screen. So like if I had a timer component, I would pull out the timer. Here, let me show you in screen 1. So pull that out. Let's set it for 3000, just as if we would maybe if we were doing a splash screen. Go to the blocks, go to the timer, and then what I would do is I would do just that. So after 3 seconds, it'll automatically go to screen 2. So that's how I would do it if I was doing a splash screen. Okay, so you can do this for whatever you want. If you had multiple buttons, let's say, and you want to set up multiple buttons here for a menu. So like this could say this is your menu right here, and then you could have 4 or 5 different buttons here for a menu. And then what you would do is you would make 4 or 5 different screens, because you can add as many screens as you want, like see screen 3, screen 4, screen 5. And then as you'll see here, it's adding all these. Now I can make another one. I can name it. I can go call this one menu, and then I can remove screens as well. So yes, I would delete screen 5. Then if I click screen 4, I can click remove screen. Yep, delete screen 4. Same thing with 3. Same thing with menu, because I only want screen 1 and screen 2 for right now. But that's how you do different screens. And of course, if they were different things, like if this was menu, then I would encourage you to go to your screen 1 here and make sure that the title says menu. and there it does. So that's how you do multiple screens. Alrighty, thanks very much. Bye bye.